If you get in your station vehicle and you see an alert like this, low tire pressure, here's what you should do. Go to the gear garage. Over here, move the toolbox out of the way, and you'll see a battery on a charger. Unplug the battery. Then, from this little tote bag, we have a handheld air compressor. So we take it out, and this is it. This is the entire air compressor. Put the battery on with the fat end facing forward until it clicks like that, and you're good to go. There's a little button on top you can test the battery. This one's all the way full, so we're ready to inflate some tires. Alright, now check the inside driver's side door of your vehicle. It will tell you how many PSI, or pounds per square inch, of tire pressure you need. This one needs 35 pounds in the front tires and the rear tires. So take the cap off your tire stem, put it somewhere where it won't roll away or you won't lose it. Now when you power on the air compressor, it will give you options for different units of measure for tire pressure. We want the one that says PSI, pounds per square inch. You change that by pressing the power button. You attach the hose to the tire stem like this, and on the screen it will tell you your tire pressure. 35 pounds per square inch is perfect. With the plus and minus buttons, we can set our desired tire pressure. This tire is at 27 pounds per square inch, so we're going to set it to 35. Once we have it to 35 PSI, we pull the trigger, and it starts to inflate the tire. Then you don't do anything. You let it inflate, and when it gets to 35 PSI, it will turn itself off. Now here's another tire to give you another look. It goes from 34.5 to 35, runs for a minute, and then it stops inflating. Perfect. So we push the trigger one more time. We take the hose off the tire stem. So it's really easy. All you have to do is set the tire pressure you need for your vehicle, pull the trigger, and the air compressor does the rest. You hold the power button to turn it off. All right, now back in the car. All systems normal. That's what we like to see. So put everything back. To release the battery, push these two buttons and it pulls right off. Take the hose and click it into the top of the air compressor. With the battery, you plug the barrel charger into the top of the battery, just like that. You'll see it light up. And then we put the air compressor back in its little tote bag. I inflated all 4 tires on that Escape, added about 7 or 8 pounds of pressure to each, and the battery was still almost all the way charged. So you can get a lot out of this battery. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know.